How to download any video from any website on Chrome. Want to delete videos from any website using Google Chrome? In this quick guide, I will show you how to do it easily with a simple Chrome extension. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and click the search bar at the top of your screen. Now you need to search for Video Downloader Professional extension. So let's type in and press enter on your keyboard. From this result page, you can easily click on the first result and open it. Now you need to select Add to Chrome on your device and you can even click on the extension icon at top right and pin it. Afterwards, you need to visit the website with the video you want to download. So you can easily search for a particular video you want to download and open it. Afterwards, you can easily open a particular video and then click on Download Free SD Ready Video. Before that, you can easily choose the dimension as well, and now you can easily click on this folder and then right click on it and you can easily save it wherever you would like to. So that's how you can successfully download any video from any website on Chrome. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.